Listen up. This could be the story that changes how you see investing forever. Here's a story about a regular school teacher from Ohio. Not a Wall Street pro, not someone with a fancy finance degree, just an everyday person like you or me. She noticed everyone glued to their phones doing everything from ordering pizza to homework, streaming music, and even paying bills. She didn't know finance, but she saw a revolution happening right in front of her eyes. So she started researching and invested in companies powering the mobile world. Think app makers, chip designers, and wireless innovators. A decade later, her small bet became a life-changing windfall. That's not luck. It's vision, and the courage to act on it. Thematic investing is about spotting unstoppable trends and putting your money where the momentum is, riding the wave before everyone else catches on. You don't need a finance degree. Just pay attention to the world around you. The best ideas are often hiding in plain sight. Think about plant-based foods, gene editing, electric vehicles. These are massive shifts, not fads. They're changing how we eat, heal, and move. Thematic investing lets you ride these waves by investing in the whole ecosystem, not just one company. You get exposure to all the players driving the trend forward. You're not day trading. You're a trend hunter, looking for powerful currents that lift all boats. It's about patience and vision, not quick wins. See your kid gaming online? That's a clue. Cloud computing, graphics, digital payments are booming. Every trend starts with a simple observation. The next big theme isn't hidden in financial reports. It's in your daily life, in the habits and tech you see every day. Stop being a passive consumer. Start thinking like an owner. Ask yourself, who's building the future I want to live in? The beauty is in its simplicity. Invest in the future you believe in. Your beliefs can shape your portfolio. Thematic investing is for everyone, not just Wall Street. Anyone can spot a trend and take action. The clues are all around you. Pay attention. Every day brings new opportunities if you're willing to look. That's how you get your own booyah moment. It starts with curiosity and a willingness to act. Ready to spot your big idea? The next wave is out there. Will you catch it? Let's break it down. What is thematic investing? It might sound complex, but it's actually a straightforward and exciting way to approach the markets. Thematic investing means putting your money behind big, world-changing ideas. Think trends that are shaping our future, not just traditional sectors or single stocks. Instead of just investing in tech, you might focus on specific themes like artificial intelligence, genomic medicine, or even the rise of electric vehicles. You start with a compelling story or vision for the future, then look for the companies that are actually making that vision a reality. The old way was picking random stocks and hoping for the best. Thematic investing is more like building with a blueprint, following a clear plan. The theme you choose guides every investment decision. It's about anticipating where the world is heading. Themes are everywhere. Clean energy, cybersecurity, robotics, future of food, and so many more. When you invest thematically, you're harnessing these powerful forces of change and innovation that are transforming our lives. Themes are always evolving. Today it might be the metaverse or digital health, and tomorrow it could be something entirely new and unexpected. You can invest by picking individual stocks that fit your theme, or choose a thematic ETF, a basket of companies all tied to one big idea. Thematic ETFs give you instant diversification, spreading your risk, and are especially great for beginners who want to get started easily. You're not just betting on one horse, you're backing the whole race, increasing your chances of success as the theme grows. Thematic investing is accessible, understandable, and powerful. It puts the future in your hands, no matter your experience level. It's your way to invest in tomorrow's world by supporting the ideas and innovations that will shape the future for all of us. But wait, there's a dark side. For every trend that takes off, many crash and burn. Remember 3D printing or pets.com? The theme can be right, but timing and execution matter. Don't fall for hype. Do your homework. Ask, is this trend unstoppable? Are these real businesses? Thematic investing is thrilling, but you need vision and discipline. Be smart, be skeptical, and be ready for bumps along the way. Here's a theme Wall Street laughed at: video games. What seemed like a passing fad was dismissed by experts and investors alike. Once dismissed as a kid's hobby, the real shift was the internet, which changed everything for the industry. Games became platforms, services, and social networks connecting millions of people worldwide. Digital distribution and in-game purchases created massive new revenue streams, transforming the business model forever. Now, gaming is bigger than movies and music combined, dominating the global entertainment landscape. The people who saw this, gamers themselves, spotted the trend early, long before the mainstream caught on. Wall Street missed it, Main Street lived it, embracing gaming as part of daily life. The lesson? Sometimes the biggest opportunities are hiding in plain sight, waiting to be discovered. Understand the drivers, not just the surface, and dig deeper than the headlines. Trust your own research, even if it means betting against the experts and going your own way. So what have we learned? Investing isn't just for the experts or the wealthy, it's for anyone willing to learn and take action. Thematic investing lets you put your money behind the future, clean energy, artificial intelligence, healthcare breakthroughs, and so much more. You can support the trends shaping tomorrow. You don't need a fancy degree or a Wall Street background, just curiosity, a willingness to learn, and attention to what's happening in the world. Remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. There's real risk involved, so always do your homework and understand what you're investing in. But don't let risk paralyze you. Calculated bets on real, lasting trends can help you build wealth over time, step by step. You can start small, even with just a single share or a thematic ETF. Every journey begins with that first move. This approach puts the power in your hands, letting you invest in the world you want to see and be a part of. Start looking for your theme. Pay attention to what's changing around you, from technology to lifestyle shifts. Write down your ideas, research the companies behind them, and take that first step toward investing in your future. Don't wait for Wall Street's permission or for someone else to tell you it's okay. The game is on. Get in it. Booyah! Your future starts now.